So here's how it's going to work. There's going to be four strategies that'll compete. I'm just going to load them up. The engine's going to pick the order. It's all going to be in a round robin. So we will see them all compete with each possible permutation. But one of the things that I think would be interesting is, as you see the other strategies compete, see if you can just like reverse engineer what that person's strategy might have been.
Oh boy, here we go.
Ooh, yeah. Hit and run. That's me. All right, let's see.
Oh, here, you know what? Let me go full screen. I will say that over the course of making this, I have about 7 different strategies, and each one of them doesn't seem to be better than the other.
What am I doing wrong that I'm not seeing it?
Oh no.
That's probably it's Zoom user error, but
The rest of you
I'll figure it out.
Yes,
going.
I see it. Yep.
I see it.
I don't know if you have a second monitor up, maybe.
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
Wow.
I see what my algorithm's doing.
I think they all just decided.
Yeah. Okay. This is a draw right here. For sure.
Everyone's going defense.
Yeah. It's good. No, it's very defensive strategy.
I see the problem with mine.
Yeah, that's clever, though. That's very, very clever.
I'm curious because I noticed that selective strike does go out at some time, so I'm trying to figure out what it's probably caught in a bit of a defensive loop right now, but there were times when it actually went for the ball, so I'm curious what triggered that. Okay, so that was a draw.
Oh, nice. Do you have that as a timeout or something?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh boy, here we go. That's so funny to watch it.
Oh no. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Okay, so that was a goal.
Hey.
The goals are so fast that it's like it happens. Maybe find a way to slow it down when it knows that it's going to be a goal. So I wonder if it's going to play in the same. So I've noticed that sometimes if there's no randomness to it, like if it always does the exact same thing, it's going to be the same play each time.
Yes, if there's nothing dependent on. Yeah, because it's always the same start, right?
Yeah.
GG.
I started to add just like a small tinge of randomness to some of my strategies, just to, in case,
That's
if
smart.
I lose one round, it can kind of like pick back up and change it.
Boy, in the corner.
Yeah.
Where's it gonna pop out?
Oh, I'm gonna hit it back towards my own goal. Oh no. This is the problem with my strategy.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, you got me.
I need to like hire a game announcer kind of thing, like something.
Yeah, you need like a good British English Premier League announcer.
Yeah. Or Ted Lasso.
Yeah, even better. Haven't finished it.
This is probably gonna be in the same. Oh, it's gonna be similar to that.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Look at the block
Yeah.
there.
Same thing.
Now it's just an unlucky
the
bounce
same sort of-
back.
This might hit time though, so it'll still go to Connor for the 2 goals.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see the clock up there. Was that always in it?
So Connor kind of like blocks the other player. Some of his players hit the other player.
I did wonder who would like, because there's the type of there are the folks who like to play a lot more defensively and not go for the ball, but go for either the players or just line up against. Oh wow, that was a lot faster than I expected.
Nice. Everyone was going towards it, right in the same direction. Look at that. How does it get there from there? Wow. 2 ricochets, 3 ricochets.
Oh, it's gonna do the same thing. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
that was a great one.
Nice.
Decisive.
Selective strike. Oh yeah, what are you doing?
Very defensive.
That's me. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
See there, that's what I'm interested to figure out. Because at first I thought, oh, it's just if the ball is behind, you're gonna go back, but it's. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That was very it looked like a play almost, like a very clean,
Okay, I think I might see what he's doing.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I knew mine. I wanted to get more offensive strategy in there, but didn't have time.
But I like that. I like that goal part because it's kind of like Connors pushes one out of the way and the other one just knocks it in. It's almost like they're calling to each other on the field.
Right. Like, yeah, I built in a huge machine learning.
Oh, yeah. Oh wow.
Nice.
Wow. See, it's that moving backward one that's always so dangerous. Yeah.
Yeah, scored. Yeah, scored against yourself. Yeah.
Not too exciting when you got a lot of defense.
Well, I mean, it's the right strategy in this case.
Hey.
Nice.
All right, so that was it. So Connor takes it.
Hey.
Nice. Good job.
GG.
The fun part was calculating, kind of set a range for and varied the power. If you're close enough if you're pushing up, but the ball is in front, only use so much power, so you're not getting too far ahead.
And so it was offensive, but then I feel like it has something to do with how close the ball is to your goal, the distance to your goal. You were because you were trying to cover the goal when the ball was so close to that bottom corner.
Hitting it straight on versus 1.1, multiplying it by 1.1, and actually had better results with that. So I went with that. And yeah, and if the ball is behind you, 2 of the players run towards the top of the goal, and 1 of the players run towards the bottom of the goal.
Ah, that's clever. That's
Nice.
smart. I didn't even think about using the top post. Oh, that was awesome. That was fun.
Yeah,
I'm
that
trying
was
to
cool.
see if